Many scanned documents come with dark, yellow, dirty, or uneven backgrounds that make them look unprofessional. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a scanned document and turn it into a clean white background using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. Open Photoshop and import your scanned document. First, go to the Image menu, hover over Adjustments, and then select Levels. Now click on the right side dropper. Next, select the background color part of your document. Now play with these sliders to get the perfect background. Increase the contrast by dragging the black and white sliders until the text becomes sharp and readable. Click OK. If some parts of the document still look faded or show the original color, select the Adjustment Brush tool. Now, for any leftover imperfections, quickly clean around the edges or colored areas. Once everything looks clean and professional, export the document. And that's how you remove the background from a scanned document and give it a clean white background in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.